Bike workstands are essential tools for any cyclist who wants to perform their own bike maintenance, repairs, or upgrades. There are many products available to choose bike workstands, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best bike workstands from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Bike Hand Bike Repair Stand. The Bike Hand Bike Repair Stand is a lightweight, strong, and portable stand that is made of full light alloy aluminum with heavy-duty plastic strong head and clamps. It features a quick-release adjustable height, tilt, and angle with strong skewers and a 360-degree rotated head that can hold a maximum of 55 pounds at any angle. Additionally, it has a foldable magnetic tool plate for easy setup and storage. This bike workstand is durable and reliable for both home or shop uses. Number 2. CXWXC Bicycle Repair Stand. The CXWXC Bike Repair Stand is a durable and easy-to-carry stand that is perfect for maintaining your bike. It features a 360-degree rotatable clamp that can hold your bike steady with a lever and an adjustable height body for your comfort. The stand is made of welded iron that is lightweight, corrosion-resistant, and can withstand a maximum weight of 60 pounds. Additionally, it comes with a tool tray that has a customized place for different tools and a magnet that collects screws and nuts. The front wheel won't shake due to the included adjustable Titan rod, and the stand has a super steady triangle base with rubber feet that won't scratch the floor. Number 3. CXWXC Bike Repair Stand 88 pounds. The CXWXC bike stand is a must-have for bike maintenance, lifting your bike off the ground to a comfortable working height. No more struggling to keep your bike steady while working on it. With a max load of 88 pounds, it's perfect for e-bikes, fat tire, or road mountain bikes. The stand is portable, easy to set up, and collapses for storage. Its adjustable height and 360-degree rotating clamp provide convenience whether you're standing or sitting. The included tool tray and 3 stable legs ensure stability and easy access to tools during bike tune-ups. Number 4. Park Tool PCS 10.3 Deluxe Home Mechanic Repair Stand. The Park Tool Bike Workstand is a versatile and user-friendly tool for bike maintenance. Its cam-actuated micro-adjustable clamp can fit various tubes and seat posts, including arrow posts and dropper posts, with a maximum weight capacity of 80 pounds. The narrow clamping jaws allow it to fit into tight areas, while the quick-release lever makes it easy to adjust the height from 39-inch to 57. With a foldable design and compact size, it is easy to store and transport. Whether you need to fix your bike at home or on the go, the Park Tool Bike Workstand can provide a stable and convenient platform for you. Number 5. Rockbros Bike Repair Stand. The Rockbros Repair Stand is a convenient and versatile bike maintenance stand. With its easy-to-mount design, you can quickly assemble and secure the stand using the included screws. The adjustable clamp allows for clamping of bike tubes of different sizes, ensuring a secure grip without damaging the bike's paint finish. Whether you need to work on your bike's seat post or frame, the stand's rotating upper arm makes it easy to hold the bike in place. Made of durable iron, this bike stand is built to last and can hold up to 44 pounds. The space-saving design allows you to install it on a workbench or wall, and you can even flip it around when not in use. The Rockbros Repair Stand is not only a great tool for bike maintenance, but also works well as a bow vise, making it a great value for your money.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.